And guess what this is? 87 Blazer. And that engine that we've been making videos on, we've been redoing. See this hole right here? That engine is gonna fit really well right in there. Yep, so all of this is bed liner. See all of that? Bed liner. All the bay, the entire bay is lined with bed liner. And we're gonna drop that engine in there and we'll make a video of it, maybe. See if, you know, what people wanna do. But yeah. There you have it. And let me show you guys the, oh, it's gonna be nice. And if some of you missed the engine, let's go over there. So this is probably gonna be the last time you see the engine outside. It's gonna go in there, and next video we'll have the engine in the truck and hopefully running, so you can get the sound. So we'll be back. Everybody have a great day.